descaling must be supplied with water from water tank. Water inlet knob on the back of the body. Select to the water tank position. Click the menu button in the upper right corner. Click Service menu. Enter password 123456. Click Maintenance Settings. Click Engineering Settings. Enter password 111222. Click Water Supply Way. Choose Water Tank Water Supply. Click Confirm to save. Return to the Maintenance Settings menu. Choose Descaling Cleaning. Click Yes. Follow the on-screen prompts. Remove the wastewater tray. Empty the wastewater and reinstall it into the machine. Add about 700 milliliters of clean water to the water tank. Add a pack of coffee machine-specific descaling powder. Stir until dissolved. Install the water tank back into the coffee machine. Click Confirm. The coffee machine enters the descaling program. There is hot water flowing out of the coffee outlet. The descaling process lasts approximately 30 minutes. Follow the on-screen prompts to operate sequentially. Remove the water tank and clean it. Add clean water and reinstall the machine. Emptying the wastewater tray. Reinstall it. Click Confirm. Continue to complete descaling. Descaling is complete. System heating in progress. After descaling is completed, switch back to the water supply mode in use.